Bosch GLL30 self-leveling cross-line laser is excellent for light-duty jobs in small and mid-sized spaces, like installing a staircase and leveling rails, or lining up bathroom tile. Use it to install and level cabinets and shelves, to mark off points to paint walls, or to align and hang pictures. Cross-line mode projects two lines that are perfectly level and plumb. This laser produces very clean lines that are easy to see, and it's accurate to within 5/16 of an inch up to 30 feet. The smart pendulum system self-levels and indicates out-of-level conditions. It also locks when the laser is off for secure transport. Manual mode locks lines at any angle. This laser fits all mounts and tripods, including the MM2 or BM3L bracket, thanks to 1/4 inch threading. It includes the very versatile MM2 flexible mount, which clamps to multiple surfaces of thicknesses from 1/2 inch to 2 1/4 inches, so you can set up fast, measure, and move on. Learn more about the GLL30 self-leveling cross-line laser on this page, and be sure to check out the full line of Bosch measuring tools.